15 to go. Only 14 to go. Beadlock wheels look great, but 16 tiny screws per wheel times however many wheels you're doing gets old fast with the hand driver. This is Injora's mini cordless electric screwdriver. 34 bucks, 8 bits, made for 1/18 and 1/24 scale vehicles. I'm unboxing it, running it against the full beadlock wheel, mounting that wheel onto my Arktos, and then getting into what's actually inside this thing. Let's see what's in the box. The driver itself, pen style grip, about the size of a marker, 140 grams according to Injora. Forward and reverse toggle right on the body, no separate dial. 8 bits total, hex sizes down to 0.05 inches, 1.3, 1.5 and 2.0. A Phillips number 2 and 3 nut driver sizes, 4, 5 and 5.5. Bit swaps is made with a quick connect here, that is magnetic here, as you can see, and the magnet holds it down. That covers the full bundle, driver plus all 8 bits, and a USB cable included. The first real test. This beadlock ring needs 16 screws, and this is exactly the kind of repetitive job that I wanted to throw at it. Starting them by hand, mount the screw onto the hex driver, and then carefully start the screw, and then just repeat 15 more times. $16 for 16 screws. No stripping and nothing broken. And what would normally be a genuinely tedious and slow moment with a hand driver took a fraction of that. This makes the hobby a lot more fun when you can just do a really fast job instead of making all these screws tight with your manual screwdriver. One wheel fully assembled. This right here is the job this tool is built for. Now let's get it on the truck. Pulling the stock wheel off first. It's a single hub nut. And this is worth pointing out. The kit already includes the right size nut driver for this hub. So there's no digging through a separate toolbox mid-build. Like that, and then you take the new wheel, put it on, and then like that you have mounted your new wheel. Very easy, very fast and very convenient. New wheel on, nut back in. Done in about the time it took me to explain it. That's the whole swap, beadlock assembly and the wheel mount. One tool the entire way through. Quick detour while I'm in here. Let's see if it can actually get into the spots a hand driver struggles with. And then you can just reach in through everything and then use your screwdriver. The pen style body is thin enough to get it in without pulling anything else apart. Not glamorous, but that's genuinely useful. This is normally where I'd be half disassembling something just to get an angle. Now that you've seen it work, here's what's actually inside it. It weighs 140 grams. It's 3.6 volts, a no-load speed of 220 revolutions per minute. A maximum torque is 5 Newton meters according to the Injora page. A rechargeable battery. It's a lithium-ion battery. The capacity is 850 milliamp. The charging interface is USB-C. And the charging current is 1 amp. The bit specification. The material is of course steel, and it's a gold anodized, as you can see here. It's a very nice quality, and it's very convenient since we have the carrying case, so we can store everything inside of it if we want to take the screwdriver with us when we are out driving on the trails. So then you can just chuck it in the luggage that you have with you when you're out driving your cars. At $34, it's not trying to be the 100-bit electronics kit, it's narrower than that. But every bit in the box is one you'll actually reach for on a 1/18 or a 1/24 scale vehicle. So it's a perfect variety of bits and pieces. That's the Injora Mini Driver. 16 beadlock screws down, 1 wheel mounted. And it got into the corners on this truck a hand driver just couldn't touch. If tool videos like this are useful to you, subscribe. I'm doing the full 6-wheel swap next and taking the Arktos out and test the new wheels. That one's coming soon. Link to grab the drivers in the description. See you in the next one, and remember to subscribe and like the video. Bye.